Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the trendyblog.net, and today let's do the unboxing and review of the Digisol WR30001NE Wi-Fi repeater. So this is a 300 Mbps Wi-Fi repeater and comes with a limited lifetime warranty. From few key features given such as wall pluggable compact design, extend Wi-Fi coverage, best for small and home office, dual mode operation with Wi-Fi repeater and access point. So down on the box is 299 rupees, but you can get it much cheaper online. There are a few important technical specifications given such as hardware specification. It has one LAN port, one USB port, two external antennas, one reset button, one WPS button. It also says the W-band transmission speed of what you get in up to 802.11 BGN, and then you have the output power, you have the status, you have environmental specification, etc. In case you want to read this specification, you can just pause the video and read the same. Boxing the packaging, we have the Wi-Fi repeater itself. You can see it's written Digisol, it's in white color. And we also have the WPS button here. We have a RJ45 LAN slot and a USB slot. We have the reset button. We get a quick installation guide CD, a good quality LAN cable. Inside the quick start guide booklet, you can see we have some of the diagrammatic representation of the Wi-Fi repeater ports and etc. See, it's written WPS button, you have to press 2 seconds for WPS connection. For reset, you have to 10 seconds for reset. And then if you have weak signal, you will get 2 bars, 3 bars, so etc. Turned on the Wi-Fi repeater and you can see here it's written Digisol. Let's click connect and it will now get connected. Our existing Wi-Fi network here through which we are going to extend it. So we have here home Wi-Fi guest. So we will now extend this network, which is home Wi-Fi guest. We'll click save and continue. It's asking me the password of home Wi-Fi guest now. In the password of home Wi-Fi guest or your existing Wi-Fi network, you can just click finish. And it will ask you to wait for a few seconds, and it's called Digisol. Now it's asking us the password. So we just given the password to it. You can see now the Digisol extender has been connected and it has extended our existing Wi-Fi guest network. And you can see it works pretty well. So let's do a speed test and see what's the speed. Let's go to fast.com. And without the extender, we were getting around speed of around 8 to 10 Mbps, and with the extender, I'm getting a speed of around 20 Mbps, so that's pretty good. With the usage of extender, I'm getting good speeds now. That was a quick unboxing and overview review video of the Digisol Wi-Fi extender. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This is the Trendy Blog. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net. Link to this will be in the description. So if you want to purchase this router, I'll make sure to give a link in the description from where you can go and buy it. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon. My next one. Till then, peace out.